this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now the first step you need to do is to open Google Chrome. Then go to the dots on your top right corner. Then go to YouTube. Then once you are here, you are going to search for the video that you want to download. But I'm going to select any random video here. I'm going to select this one. Then ensure that you've opened the video. Then you will come down here. You will see this download button. Click on it. Then you are going to see download button here at the bottom. Click on it. And the download will begin, as you can see here. So this is super useful because it is going to save your computer memory, and you'll be able to access it without internet. After it has downloaded, you'll be able to access it without internet. So it will, first of all, it will save your computer memory, and also you'll be watching it offline. So that's it, guys. That's how to download YouTube videos on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.